Oh my god.
Oh, that's mad.
Oh man.
How did that go?
Oh good, yeah.
You felt it all the way down here?
Yeah, I'm hold down my spine, man.
You stole it.
Yeah.
Welcome to icupping. Let's do your neck first. Check your neck. Shoulders are too big. They won't let you rotate.
Not big enough yet.
And seriously. How did that go?
Nice, I needed that.
Definitely. There you go, just turn that way.
Oh,
Yes.
that side was nice.
Yeah.
That side I needed doing.
There you go. There you go. Just relax. You don't get tennis elbow, just relax. Yeah. There you go. Just relax. There you go, and then just breathe in, pull it out, relax. There you go. I told you you need to calm down for your shoulder.
No, that's stupid.
You're getting too big. Pull it up. There you go. And breathe in. Pull it out. This one, breathe in again. Breathe out. Yeah, you go, breathe out. It's okay. Feel it? Just breathe in fully. Fully out. One more time. Pull it out. There you go. One more time. Pull it out. Good. Can you breathe in again? Pull it out. Good. One more time. Very good. Just relax. Breathe in. Pull it out.
Oh my god.
Oh, that's mad.
Oh man.
How did that go?
Oh good, yeah.
You felt it all the way down here?
Yeah, I'm hold down my spine, man.
You stole it.
Yeah. 6'1" now.
Never had that done before.
No, I've seen it on videos, it looks, everyone like reacts the same now.
The whole spine gets decompressed. Just relax. Nothing left here. Nothing there. A little bit left. How did that go?
Good, man.
Nice, yeah?
Yeah,
No
feel
pain?
good. No pain, no, not at all. Body feels good.
This is what happened to you when you go to icupping. We've done the session now. Jordan.
Yeah, first experience with a chiropractor. Back so much, took a lot of attention at my back, shoulders, mobility's a lot better.
Did you like the decompression?
Yeah, great. First time having that.
Well needed.
Yeah, definitely. So I'll be definitely coming back as well.
Shoulders okay?
Shoulders are good, man. Shoulders are good. Firing ready for Monday's session at the gym. So yeah,
Very good. Thank you for coming.
10 out of 10, man.
Thanks a lot.
No worries, bro.
Thank you very much.